Madamu mwiza urimo hano.
Beautiful lady in the house. Mother of 7.
Yes.
We'll open a gift. I'm also going to give one gift. I'm giving out one gift. They can bring it. That's how we prepared it.
Yes. If
you continue to receive, you ought also to give out at some point.
Let me ask Gaspar and his wife. These are very important people in our ministry. We met with them the very first day. He was a security personnel at the house we He has been faithful. People who have had house helps or security we gave them the job. It was their first time. But many people no longer remember how he's been here all those years and is still faithful.
The other gift that the genocide against the Tutsis were kept to a stop when the United Nations had failed. But God used our leaders together with others and put an end to the genocide. Second, through the good leadership, God brought back refugees who had been outside since from 1959 up to 1994. More than 3 million Rwandans were refugees, but they came back. Now they are in their country. The third, God brought peace and reconciliation. No one is afraid of another. No one is segregated upon identity. That's another miracle God has done. The fourth, God has given us peace and stability. We are able to walk at night and during day. Wherever you may be, you are not afraid in this country. Let's give the Lord the fifth, every Rwandan has a value all over the world. Long time our reputation was not good. We would be ashamed to say it, but today it's a good image of people who are wise. I can go on. The sixth,
freedom of worship.
God has given us freedom of worship. You can dance, you can jump, you can pray overnight, you can value this when you go in some of the Middle East countries and Asian countries where it is prohibited to speak of Christ or God. That gift we wish to give to you. God
continue to expand you.
abantu badufashe bazi kwirwanaho nyine ibi birori ni ibyabo. Twishimiye kubona Gaspard natashye kuri hano kuri Rutare. Dukomere Imana amashyi. Ni iby'agaciro rwose. Iyi night yabaye nziza. Gaspard utazabwiriza ukuntu akomeje kuzana. Reka twakire igisubizo.
Igisubizo Ministries as a gift to.
Murakoze kuduha umwanya.
Thank you for that. Before continuing, I want to be grateful for the many gifts I've been given. All these gifts belong to the Lord of Lords and the church. It's not possible that I would work alone. At least there's always a representative of a church. So when you see us receive gifts, you take ownership of those gifts. So we thank all those who have already given us their gifts. Right from our children. Our daughters who are not here, where they are flowing, they can hear that. And other teams that have been passing here, especially Alarm Ministries. We've been together 20 years. We were the first team that we invited. By then they were led by the Muse, the old man. It was a big team then. It was in our second week of congregation. From then till now, no one has disappointed us. I also want to appreciate Gisubizo Ministries. Those 20 years. We even had a relationship with individuals in their team. So those who began were even staying at home. So I want to thank them again. They're still friends. Whenever you need us, we'll come to you for help. If we are able, and we also seek your help. I will say this about ministries. We are among the few churches where the one that began all this to allow and partner with these ministries, even in church. Let's give the Lord a hand for that. Many churches were hesitant to work with these ministries. And some even stopped working because they were assimilated into churches. We'll continue doing that. Even when Joyous becomes a ministry, we shall still work with them. We have no issue with such ministries. People are all serving in the kingdom. It doesn't mean you don't get close to some, but you should take heed. Listen to that. Always be humbled. You who work in ministries, for pastors, when they need you, please be there when you need it. Some do not work well with some churches. Especially where I want to welcome visitors. I'm not preaching, I'm just concentrating on praying. about Rwanda, Shimimana, Rwanda, thank God. I will not go into the details of the visitors because we've been doing this over and over again. But I want to request all pastors who were not with us in the previous two services, you were not with us in the first or second service, you can stand up and we welcome you. Only pastors. Our friends. Pastor from Wales is a friend of ours. We're happy to be with you. Like last year, but today it was celebrating the churches. So everyone had an opportunity to clearly understand and commit. The stadium is only in Kigali and can afford to accommodate a few people. But where there are open churches all over Rwanda, today was a day to thank God. As we said in the first and second service, there are many reasons to thank God. But I will say 7. The first, that the genocide against the Tutsis came to a stop when the United Nations had failed. But God used our leaders together with others and put an end to the genocide. Second, through the good leadership, God brought back refugees who had been outside since from 1959 up to 1994. More than 3 million Rwandans were refugees, but they came back. Now they are in their country. The third, God brought peace and reconciliation. No one is afraid of another. No one is segregated upon identity. That's another miracle God has done. The fourth, God has given us peace and stability. We are able to walk at night and during day. Wherever you may be, you are not afraid in this country. Let's give the Lord the fifth, every Rwandan has a value all over the world. Long time our reputation was not good. We would be ashamed to say you're Rwandan. But today, it's a good image of people who are white. I can go on. The sixth,
freedom of worship.
God has given us freedom of worship. You can dance, you can jump, you can pray overnight. You can value this when you go in some of the Middle East countries and Asian countries where it is prohibited to speak of Christ or God, that you could easily be persecuted. We know some churches are not operating nowadays. And we are one of the organizations that brings together churches, because some abuse what's happening and misinform the world, that people are persecuted and not allowed to worship or pray. That's not right. It's not correct. Even if they request people, if you need to beg in a good way. I'll emphasize this. Some people use it to beg, and it's not correct. I can go on, but lastly, the seventh, God has given us good leadership.
with good leadership has many measures, measurables. And he has Foursquare. We have spoken a lot about this celebration. But it's another time to commit and know and look ahead. Let me explain. To always remember what God has done. Now that we appreciate people, only God has allowed those people. People would not be able to do without God. It's a time to know. 20 years. Now we're entering 21st. A person of 21 years is mature enough. They no longer are dependent. They have to be independent. And another thing, they can sign, they can establish a home. At 21 they are mature. So now Foursquare is mature. And has put childish things away. Sing like adults, congregate like adults, speak like adults. That's clear. Whatever we shall be doing should reflect a maturity. And then you have to look ahead. What God has done is good. But let's don't dwell much on the past. Paul says, I forget what is past behind, but I look forward. It's time to look ahead. The next 20 years, may God do great through you.
Next generation.
It is you.
Pastor Ricky,
you
have your time for the word.
Let's give the
Lord
let's give a bigger round of applause.
Zaburi ya 15 mu 14 Uwiteka bagwize bagwizanye n'abana banyu mwaho umugisha n'Uwiteka waremye ijuru n'isi. Women ministry turabakunda.
Psalms 115:14 is what's written on the plaque.
Abamama murakoze urubyiruko.
The youth
ministry natwe
as the youth ministry this day after 20 years
natwe twarebye nyuma dusanga dukwiye gushimira
abashumba bacu. We deemed it fit to appreciate our pastors.
Ministry yacu yarubakitse ifitani yeze.
Our ministry has grown.
Nitwabivuga ngo twirangize kwera.
It's a lot we can't say. The mothers and of the youth families and the fathers of the youth families who are here can come. Because the youth cannot fit here, but their representatives can come. Quickly.
Bishop na mama Bishop n'umutoza wacu mukuru niko tujya tubivuga. Twebwe twavuze ngo duhere kuba arabo bita ba assistant coach. Aba pastor bacu nabo baradushigikiye cyane. Pastor Kado nawe wakwegera imbere.
Also have a gift for Pastor Kado before we go to the bishop. Pastor Ben can come also.
Ngegera imbere hano. Pastor Nathan is
not here, but they will.
Pastor Edwin nawe yahagararirwa n'umuntu sinzi niba
enda Moise naza muhagararire nabwo n'umwaka utayihangane.
narivuze ngo ari abantu bitwa ba sister baba coach.
We have coaches and assistants.
Abo rero nibo aba pastors bacu.
And these are the other pastors that work with together with Bishop.
Baradushigikiye muri vision na dreams.
They have supported us
kurubyiruko cyangwa se itorero
in many ways as the youth of the church.
Nabo bakadushyigikira inyuma yacu. Rero tugiye kubaha impano.
So we are going to give you gifts.
Hanyuma baradufasha tuze guha coach mukuru nawe indi mpano.
And then we will give the senior coach.
Abazifite bazegeza hafi.
Reverend Kadore kariwe duhera assistant coach wa mbere.
First assistant coach Reverend
Emmanuel.
Naza hagati hano na twese tugiye mu ifoto. President wacu, President
is the youth leader.
Ya barakoze reka Pastor Ben nawe na madam. Fotimwe twihuta. Urakoze cyane Elda wahagarariye Pastor Nathan. Yes. Edwin. Murakoze cyane rero dusaba ababyeyi bacu n'abegereye hino ntabwo dufite amagambo ahagije yo kubashimira. Mwarakoze cyane kudushyigikira. Iyi ni impano twabageneye.
We'll give you more gifts, but for now, this is what we have for you.
Abandi mushobora kwicara. Administration then.
The administration also has a gift.
Murakoze cyane kuduha uyu mwanya. Ariko iteraniro ryose maze munyemere dukomere Imana amashuri iteraniro cyiza cy'ababaye umunsi. Munyemere tumeze n'imana dukomere amashuri menshi cyane. Tunanezerewe kuko Imana yadukoreye igiteraniro cyiza tukaba tugejeje amasaha Imana ishimwe. Muvuge ngo amen. Rero kuko mutubona hano twagiriwe amahirwe yo kuvuka muri uyu muryango wa City Light Foursquare.
We are blessed to be born in this family of City Light Foursquare.
Twahaboneye umugisha mu buryo bwose.
We've been blessed in every way.
Bimwe bya holistic bavugaga kare twarabibonye hano.
We have been blessed in a holistic way.
Rero tudatize cyane.
Not wasting time.
Dufite ubuhamya twababwira tugatinda.
We could delay in testimony.
Rero muri uyu mwanya turagira ngo dushimire umubyeyi wacu Bishop.
Let us appreciate our Bishop.
Kuko ari umuyobozi mwiza cyane.
Such a great leader.
Nasomye igitabo kimwe cya John Maxwell.
One of John Maxwell's books.
Hari ibintu bitatu yavuze biranga umuyobozi mwiza ariko narimo ngira ngo ni Bishop yavugaga.
He gave 3 qualities of a good leader, and for once I thought it was Bishop was talking about.
Yavuze ko umuyobozi mwiza azizira.
The good leader is one who knows the way.
Go the way.
Go akayigendamo.
And show the way.
Akanayereka abandi.
Bishop turagushimiye cyane.
We thank our Bishop.
Twavukiye mu rusengero aratwizera aduha imirimo turakora turahembwa.
We grew up in this church. He entrusted us.
Reka tumushimire dukomere Imana amashyi cyane. Kandi n'ibindi bintu byose abakozi bakwiriye bizindi organization natwe hano turabigira.
And we have all the benefits.
Turivuza ijana ku ijana.
We have health insurance 100%.
Tugera muri za offices zateguwe harimo na breakfast n'ibindi.
We even have breakfast in our offices.
Murumva ko umuyobozi wacu tumushimiye cyane uyu munsi.
Our leader today.
Rero hari impano twifuje kuguha natwe.
The gift we wish to give to you.
Imana ikomeze ibagure turabakunda.
It will continue to expand you.
Dukomere Imana amashyi. Abantu badufashe bazi kwirwanaho nyine ibi birori ni ibyabo. Twishimiye kubona Gaspard natashye kuri hano kuri Rukari. Dukomere Imana amashyi. Ni iby'agaciro rwose. Iyi ignite yabaye nziza. Gaspard utazabwiza ukuntu akomeje kuzana. Reka twakire igisubizo.
Igisubizo Ministries as a gift to.
Murakoze kuduha umwanya.
Thank you for the time.
Turashimira Imana kubw'iki gikorwa.
Thank God for this event.
Dushimira Imana yabikoze neza bikaba byagenze neza.
For it has been going on very well.
Tubifuriza n'isabukuru nziza y'imyaka 20.
Happy 20th anniversary.
Tuhagaze hano mu muryango wa Gisubizo.
We are here as Gisubizo Ministries.
Dushimira Imana ko yaduhaye Foursquare umufatanyabikorwa mwiza.
Thank God who gave us Foursquare as a good partner.
Ngewe by'umwihariko naje mu nshingano zo kuyobora Gisubizo ndo wa kane.
I started leading Gisubizo Ministries on Thursday, the 4th month.
Yes. Nari nsimbuye bagenzi banjye batatu.
I had replaced 3 previous leaders.
Muri icyo gihe twari dufite ikibazo gikomeye.
During that time we had a great challenge.
Kandi twifuza ko gikemuka.
That we wanted to see solved.
Muri zimwe mu nshingano bari bampaye.
One of the roles given to me then
wari gukemura icyo kibazo ministry yari ifite.
Was to solve that issue that the ministry was facing.
Muri byinshi Foursquare yadufashije.
Of the many things Foursquare helped us with.
By'umwihariko Bishop.
Especially Bishop.
Ari mu bamfashije cyane muri icyo gihe cya crise.
Is one of the people who helped me greatly during that time of crisis.
Igihe cyanjye cyo kuyobora nari mfite kirangira icyo kibazo cyararangiye.
By the time I handed over, that issue was sorted.
Cyo ni muri kimwe nanze bomya ntabwo ngivuga mu izina Bishop arakizi.
Bishop knows what I'm talking about.
Ariko na nyuma yaho na mbere yaho twagendanye mu bintu byinshi byiza badufashije.
But even thereafter we continue to work hand in hand.
Turabishimira Imana.
We thank God.
Turishimira mwebwe bashumba.
We thank you, our dear pastors.
N'itorero ryose.
And we thank the church.
Tekereza ko ntabwo ashobora gushira amezi abiri tutaministerinze hano.
We can't go beyond more than 2 months without ministering in this place.
Cyangwa se tutagize ibindi dufatanya n'uyu murimo wa Foursquare.
Or working with Foursquare in one way or another.
Hanyuma twateguye impano.
We also have a gift.
Gushimira Bishop.
To thank Bishop.
Ndetse na Madam. Ya mbere iri rusange n'iyitorero niyo kubashimira ko mwabaye beza ku bwa Gisubizo.
It's a general gift meant for the church, for the good partnership.
Hanyuma izindi z'umwihariko ku bwa Bishop ndetse na Madam.
But there's also one that is specifically for Bishop and Madam.
Twemerere ayakire kandi murakoze.
Dukomere Imana amashyi ku bwa Gisubizo batanga impano. Itorero
that belongs to the church.
Ifoto yabonetse iy'umwihariko kuri Bishop.
Now these are individual gifts to them.
Umudari w'ishimwe.
Some medals of appreciation.
Iyo umuntu yambara umudari abandi bakoma amashyi. Barakoze Gisubizo kiyobe ndabona ari hano ntagire umuntu uza wundi nta atambwiye ariko kubera ko ari umudiyakoni ndamwemerera rwose nta nubwo uvuga. Reka noneho Diakire Kiyobe abagezeho impano saba abanaziri batambuka komeze batambuke ariko mbere yo kuririmba n'ubundi iri ni ikamba ngira ngo iri ni ikamba mama Bishop asubira mu byicaro. Reka nsabe Jonathan microphone ya Bishop ashimira abantu abanaziri mukomeze muze gusa muhagarare hano inyuma mwisubira kwicara igitaramo kigiye kuba icyanyu mu kanya.
Reka mvuge ijambo rya nyuma dushimira abantu.
I'll give my closing remarks as we appreciate
urabona yuko impano zabaye nyinshi.
The gifts are so many.
Amarangamutima nayo yabaye menshi.
Now we are getting emotional.
Numva gashaka kumva Patrick aririmba bwa nyuma.
Wanted to hear from Patrick as he ministers.
Indirimbo imwe namuregeye ntarayiririmba. Ayiririmbe mbere yuko dusohoka mu minota 3 ikurikira.
Give him one song before we move out.
So sinongera gushimira abantu cyane.
I'm not going to be thanking people.
Ariko ndavuga gusa abantu nk'abatatu matsinda 3.
Just 3 departments are referred to.
Itsinda rya mbere shimira.
The first team I thank.
Ni itsinda ryateguye iki giterane.
Is the organizing committee.
Reka munyumve cyane muve kuri Muhirwa.
Since Thursday,
New York ageze biririmbana.
But had very much delayed in New York.
Kibuga nyine.
And
ndege barazihindagura.
Her flights were changed.
Mundege bakayibakuramo ngo yabuze uko igenda.
Were changed many times.
Yageze none.
She just reached. She was supposed to be on Friday.
Bagire haba utudutera. Ariko Satani yaratsinze.
But the devil has went through some hardships. No, the devil is
ndashimira abantu mu buryo bwihariye.
In a special way, I thank people.
Ndashimira umuntu witwa Wilson na
Sensitive Media
Company. This screen naturiya tunatwaye twombi.
This big screen, the screens you see here,
uyikodesha umunsi umwe ararenga miliyoni.
Very costly, more than $1 million per day.
Zaje hano kundi wa gatanu.
But they have been here for over a week. For 10 days they have been here.
Munyemere dukomere Imana
Let's appreciate them.
Ndashimira Patrick.
Thank Patrick.
Wigomakaza.
Sacrificed and traveled here.
Ndashimira abashyitsi bacu.
We thank our visitors.
Ndashimira Leslie. Umuntu wafashe urugendo rw'amasaha 40 kugira ngo aze mu ishuri.
Took many hours of flight to just be here with us.
Ndashimira itorero ryacu rya Kabuga.
Thank our Kabuga church.
Hari abashyitsi twacumbikiye.
Some of our visitors were hosted
there.
Muri
Amerika benshi twarabacumbikiye.
We were hosting majority of them.
Itorero rimaze imyaka 20 ni itorero rifasha itorero rifashwa.
A church that has existed 20 years is a church that helps.
Kabuga ryaradufashije muri ubwo buryo.
Kabuga church helped us to host.
Ndashimira Adela na ministeri yiwe.
Adela and her ministry.
So navuga abantu sinsoze.
Can go on and on.
Ariko mwese turabashimiye.
But we have appreciated all.
Hari impano imwe naje ngiye gutanga.
I'm also going to give one gift.
Reka banyemere bayizane hano nyiwe umuntu umwe.
Giving out one gift, they can bring it.
Niko bigaragaye niko byateguwe.
That's how we prepared it.
Yes. Iyo umuntu akomeza guhabwa nawe agomba gutanga.
If you continue to receive, you ought also to give out at some point.
Reka sabe Gaspar na madame ne bari hafi baze.
Let me ask Gaspar and his wife.
Yihute cyane.
These are very important people in our
ministry.
We met with them the very first day. He was a security personnel at the house we He has been faithful. People who have had house helps or security we gave them the job. It was their first time. But many people no longer remember how
He's
been here all those years and is still faithful.
Another gift. Turayiheza mudamu mwiza urimo hano.
Mother of 7.
Yes.
It had it been for her, a lot of things would have worked. You can interpret, say it in your own way. But when you feel led by your spirit, this was the first partner I needed for me to enter well in my calling. She supported me. She's the one who rebukes me or corrects me. She is the boss. When she tells me don't step on that pulpit, I want to go. But she's been close, supportive, prayed for me, gave me counsel. We will open a gift. We appreciate the government of Rwanda. We thank our leaders. Today we had many things going on, but they were able to be with us. Those who did come gave us tangible reasons. We had a good celebration because we are safe and those who support us. As we leave, request Mike to come and pray, and as we then we shall leave.
Come forward. Munyemerere asenge kugira ngo tubane imbere kuba afite na flight mukanya murumva yuko bajya ku kibuga mukanya.
Father God, we come before you right now with our hearts overflowing. We come with the blessing of your presence. We come with the blessing of being a part of your family. We come with a blessing of celebration to see what you have done in this church, in this community, and in this country. Father God, we don't know what to say. We just love you so much. We thank you. We just pray for protection and safety as everyone goes, and that